Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into construction. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Manufacture, which means the making of articles on a large scale using machinery. Manufacture. For example, the manufacture of aircraft engines. Number 2. Assembly, which means the action of fitting together the component parts of a machine or other object. Assembly. For example, a car assembly plant. Number 3. Making, which means the process of making or producing something. Making. For example, the making of videos. Number 4. Creation, which means the action or process of bringing something into existence. Creation. For example, he embarked on the creation of an outstanding garden. Number 5. Fabrication, which means the action or process of manufacturing or inventing something. Fabrication. For example, the assembly and fabrication of electronic products. Number 6. Establishment, which means the action of establishing something or being established. Establishment. For example, the establishment of a democratic constitution. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.